How to delete Google search history permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to delete the Google search history permanently, first of all launch the Google application on your device. As you launch the Google application on your device, make sure you are logged into your account. Now as you tap on the search bar, you'll be able to see the different search history that we have done over the period of time. So you'll be able to see that it loads the list of the searches that we have done over the period of time. So what we can do over here is simply just go back, make a long press on Google application, tap on app info, and you can simply tap on the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can clear all data. After that, what you can do is launch the Google application again, tap on your profile at the top right corner, tap on the option of search history, and as you tap on search history, you'll be able to see all the history regarding your searches that you have done on Google, and just wait until it loads the page of the search history. Simply tap on the delete option over here and tap on delete all time. So let's tap on delete all time and then tap on next, tap on delete, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.